Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Notion templates. First, navigate to the Notion template gallery, which is easily accessible from your Notion workspace. This gallery provides hundreds of pre-built templates designed to streamline your productivity and organization. You can browse through diverse categories such as personal planning, project management, and educational tools. Once you find a template you like, simply click to duplicate it into your own Notion setup, making it ready for immediate use. The official Notion template gallery is your primary resource for finding ready-to-use layouts. When you create a new page, look for the templates option in the sidebar. Clicking this will open the full gallery, where you can explore hundreds of options. You can filter by category, such as design or engineering, or use the search bar for something specific like meeting notes. Once you select a template, a single click on Get Template will add it directly to your workspace, saving you significant time. Once you've added a template to your workspace, it's entirely yours to customize. You can change any text, add new database properties, or remove sections that aren't relevant to your specific needs. Feel free to adjust the layout, incorporate your own images, or switch up the icons and cover photos to match your personal brand or project theme. This flexibility ensures that every template can be perfectly tailored to enhance your individual productivity and organizational style. While the official gallery is excellent, a vibrant community also offers countless Notion templates. Many creators share their unique designs on platforms like Gumroad or through their personal websites. These can range from simple trackers to complex dashboards, often providing specialized solutions not found elsewhere. When using third-party templates, you'll typically find a duplicate link that allows you to add them to your workspace just as easily as official ones. Always ensure you trust the source before duplicating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.